Hey guys, this is a video which I shot 4 years back, and now I found some time to make a video out of it. In this video, I'm trying to explain how a series of events will develop into a idea generating event or some creative event or some thought process event. As known from research, ideas generate when you are completely relaxed. As you see in the video, I happen to take a forced relaxation upon which few events will happen, and that determines my next event, which is an idea generation process or some creative thought or some solution. What I'm showcasing may not be the perfect example, but I'm just trying to explain how a series of events will determine the next event.